In this video, we're going to talk about 3 banks on the West Coast that you can use to start your ATM business. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck. I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009, and I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011. That's why I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business that'll provide you with consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames. Now, why do you want passive income and big chunks of cash? Well, it's going to be different for everybody, but most folks want to quit their 9-to-5 jobs. They want their freedom back. They want their time back. And then you got the folks that want to supplement their retirement, or maybe this is their retirement. And then you got people that want to stop putting out big, huge chunks of cash, to make a decent ROI. Instead, want to put out a smaller amount of cash to make a decent ROI. And you got people that want legacy wealth, generational wealth for their kids, grandkids, great-grandkids. And then you got people that just want extra cash to do whatever they want. And then you got people that just have reasons that we don't know about. You might check off multiple boxes, and that's cool. But here's the thing. If you'd like me to help you start your ATM business, I invite you to go to atmtrainingvideo.com. I am going to help you cut the time it takes for you to reach that ultimate goal of yours. Okay, I'm going to save you time, money, and headaches. All right, so go to atmtrainingvideo.com and then enter your email. There's a 28-minute training video on the next page. Watch that and then book a call with my team. Together, you and my team will figure out if you and I will be a fit to work together. All right? All right, now, before we get into this video, you know the drill. Thumbs up. Give me some likes. Click that ATM in the corner. It's in one of the corners. It's a silver ATM. Click and subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell notification. Select all. So every time I post a video, you're first to know about it. Okay, so 3 banks. So I did a video naming 3 banks that are good for the ATM business. But what I didn't think about was those are mostly East Coast banks. Maybe East Coast, maybe a little bit center. I'm not sure. Central and East Coast. But I figured I would do a West Coast version. So 3 banks from the West Coast that you can use to open an ATM business bank account, right? So you don't have to be shady and lie about shit. You don't have to make nothing up. You know what I'm saying? You can literally go to these banks and open an account. Now, if you think it's going to be as easy as just going to these banks and saying, I want to open an ATM business account, it's probably not going to be that easy. But these 3 banks, I promise you, allow ATM businesses. Okay? All right, here we go. You ready? You excited? Are you excited? All right, I guess you're excited enough. Okay, number 1, Regions, Regions, Regions Bank. Okay, number 2, US Bank. And then number 3, Comerica. Comerica, US Bank, Regions. Comerica might have some crazy fees, so, just make sure you're getting all your ducks in a row and have all the facts, all right? But those are 3 banks that you West Coasters can use to start an ATM business, right? You don't need a fib or anything like that. They literally work with ATM business owners, okay? Because right, I'm going to have a video up here. A video about being ethical, how you want to be an ethical business person. And I might have to help Maybell figure out what video that is. But I know I did a video about being an ethical business person and not lying to open your bank account, your ATM bank account, okay? So we're going to have that video up here. I don't know where at, but it'll be up here. But yeah, you can use Regions, US Bank, and Comerica. They all work with ATM businesses, okay? You got any questions, right? Post them in the comments. Any ideas for future videos, post them in the comments. And yeah, I just wanted to help you West Coasters out, right? Because I know a lot of times, since I'm on the East Coast, right? I'm in Delaware, and I work in Delaware, New Jersey, Maryland, Pennsylvania. So, I'm doing a lot of East Coast stuff, right? So I don't want to leave you guys out because a lot of you guys are my students, right? So there you go. Comerica, Regions, and US Bank. Listen, if you'd like me to help you start your ATM business, help you on this journey, I'm going to save you time to reach that ultimate goal of yours and save you money and headaches. I invite you to click the link in the description, all right? Enter your email, watch that video, book call with my team, and then together you and my team will figure out if you and I will be a fit to work together, okay? Because I'm not a fit to work with everybody. And everybody is not somebody I want to work with, believe it or not, right? Believe it or not, I may not want to work with you. I'm sorry, it's nothing personal, but I like a nice easy, smooth life, right? No issues, no difficult people, right? So if you're a jerk or a difficult person, I am not interested in working with you. I don't care how much money you got. You can't throw any amount of money to come work with me. If you're a difficult person or a jerk, ain't happening. Nope. Better go find somebody else who's desperate for your money, because it ain't me, honey. All right, guys, listen. So again, just click the link in the description. And hopefully, we'll be a fit to work together and I can help you. All right, listen, I'll talk to you soon. You guys have a great day. And may you live happily off of passive income. Hey, Carey Buck here. I hope you enjoyed that last video. If you got any questions or comments or even ideas for future videos, just post that below, okay? And do me a big favor. If you have not done so already, give me some thumbs up, some likes for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification and select always